Hey everyone! Welcome to Bit by Byte, where we make coding super easy and fun. Today we're diving into React hooks, a game changer in React that makes state management and side effects a breeze. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what hooks are, why they exist, and how to use them, all in just 5 minutes. Let's go. Before React hooks, we had class components with this .setState, and lifecycle methods like component_didMount_height. React introduced hooks because class components needed a retirement plan. React hooks let you use state and other React features without writing class components. This makes your code much cleaner, simpler, and reusable. No more messy class components. The two most important hooks: useState for state, useEffect for side effects. Let's see them in action. Let's say we want a counter that increases when we click a button. Normally, we'd use this .state in a class component. But with hooks, it's just one line. Let's break this down to understand it much better. useState0 creates a count variable and a function setCount to update it. Clicking the button calls setCount, count plus 1, updating the state. How easy was that? Next up, useEffect, which is React's way for effectively handling side effects, like fetching data through an API, updating the DOM, or maybe setting timers. Let's understand this better with an example. Let's continue with our previous example of the counter app. Now, every time the counter updates, we need to show a message on the console indicating that the counter has updated. If you see the code, we have now added a useEffect block, which runs whenever the count changes, because we have added count in the dependency array as the second parameter to the useEffect block. The first parameter is the function that it needs to run whenever any of the variable in the dependency array changes. Let me repeat this for better clarity. This useEffect block registers every change that is made to the count variable, and on every change, it triggers the function provided as the first parameter, which will eventually add a log on console whenever counter is increased on decreased. Also note that if you provide the dependency array as empty, it means the useEffect trigger will run only once, exactly how component_didMount used to work. Boom! You've just learned the basics of useEffect. Keep it up. So you might have noticed something weird. Every hook starts with useState, useEffect, use something cool. This isn't just a trend. React requires custom hooks to start with use so it can track them properly. And here's a big no-no. You cannot use hooks inside loops, conditions, or nested functions. Why? React needs hooks to always run in the same order every time a component renders. This is the correct implementation of the same use case. Just remember, hooks always go at the top level of a component, never inside loops or conditions. There are many inbuilt hooks that React provides out of the box to developers, like useState, useEffect, useContext, among many others. But React also provides a very solid capability of making your own custom hooks. You can design a set of your own hooks specific to your React app, which will help you make your code more readable and more reusable than it would have been with class components. Want more content on hooks? Comment below what you want to learn next. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy React tutorials. See you in the next one.